When I was young, me and mama had beef. 17 years old, kicked out on the streets. Though back in time, I never thought I'd see your face. Ain't a woman alive that could take my mama's place. Suspended from school and scared to go home. I was a fool with the big boys breaking all the rules. I shed tears with my baby sister. Over the years, we was poorer than the other little kids. And even though we had different daddies, the same drama. When things were wrong, we blame mama. I reminisce on the stress I caused, it was hell. Hugging on my mama from a jail cell. And who thinking elementary? Hey, I'd see the penitentiary one day. And running from the police, that's right. Mama catch me, put a whoop into my backside. And even as a crack fiend, mama, you always was a black queen, mama. I finally understand, for a woman it ain't easy to try to raise a man. You always was committed, poor single mother on welfare. Tell me how you did it, there's no way I can pay you back. The plan is to show you that I understand. You are appreciated, dear mama. No, ain't nobody tell us it was fair. No love for my daddy, cause the coward wasn't there. He passed away and I didn't cry, cause my anger wouldn't let me feel for a stranger. They say I'm wrong and I'm heartless, but all along I was looking for a father, he was gone. I hung around with the thugs, and even though they sold drugs, they showed a young brother love. I moved out, started really hanging. I needed money on my own, so I started slanging. I ain't guilty cause I even know I sold rocks. It feels good putting money in your mailbox.